Peppy, what are you doing up there? Where should you be? Where should you be?
Come on, little man, for your injection. Behind your neck. Say good boy. I know you don't like it anymore. There you go, it's all done. Say good boy.
Where's me dinner? There's me dinner.
There you go.
There's me dinner. One could always say it's a sign of boredom when you're stuck in a marina under lockdown and the weather's not so good. I'm just sorting out my what I christened the hellhole. So that's just all the engine spares and other nuts, bolts, spares. I've just ragged them out, so next job is to tidy it all up. But first of all, we'll have a look underneath where we did that repair a while ago. So location wise, the hellhole is in the aft heads, which is now our laundry room. So that's the washing machine, and that's the hellhole cupboard, which is located above where the heads is, and that goes down into a storage underneath. And that's the lid out. I keep my oil change gear in there. So spare tank and pump. And we did the repair up behind that panel there, but the result was we could see water down there and we can now. So that's good. So everything is looking pretty good down there. Look a bit further down that side. That's good. That big black tube is the exhaust pipe. So yes, I'm very happy. And there we are, that's the hellhole sorted out and tidied up. So last week we saw some dredging going on outside Albert Dock, and I wished they would do some work in our dock. The marina has a different way. Let's just open the gates and let the water out. And even riskier, why not have both sets of gates open at the same time? They do this practice at low spring tides. That allows them to use the force of water to move the sands and sediments away from the basin. is to change this socket over from the American standard to a British standard. Now our plates are much larger than American. There we go, that's the new UK style socket. The more astute of you will notice it's at 90 degrees, but works perfectly well. So what we found is the sink and drain has come away, so that's going to be a repair job somehow. So what had happened was the drain threads, plastic threads, had all broken away, and at some point in its life somebody had just used silicone to stick the two back together, so yes, it leaked. It's taken a while to find it, but yes, it did leak. So I can't get no chance of getting one of these over here now. So what we've done, we've used good old West Systems 105, 205 and 406 colloidal silica, and it's all been really well epoxied in. That ain't gonna shift. In fact, I got that slightly at the wrong angle and there wasn't enough length on the waste pipe to recouple it, so I've had to put a piece on and we've lengthened that pipe and rejoined it, so you can just see over there the joint onto the original. So that's all done now and it doesn't leak. Thank you for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe to see more motor cruising on Ava Grace.